Grace de Guzman.
Nickname,
Klang Klang, Kleng Kleng.
birthday,
September 6.
schools you've attended,
High school, Pateros Catholic School and College of St. Benilde.
favorite food,
Kare-kare.
favorite color,
Apple Green.
favorite local singer,
Bukod kay Coach Sara, si Zia Quizon, Army Miliare,
favorite OPM band,
Up Dharma Down,
favorite foreign band naman,
Incubus,
favorite foreign singers,
Adele and Beyonce,
favorite movies,
The Reader, Fight Club, P.S. I Love You, and Atonement. Ang dami.
what's your greatest achievement?
Ito talaga, The Voice. Sobrang greatest achievement po ito para sa akin.
Meron ka bang rainy day tips?
Yan. Ngayong maulan, sana po lagi may dalang payong and kapote. Yan, kapote. Huwag kayong papaulan, guys. Keep dry. Hi, Gracie Guzman, and please keep logging on to mixph.com.